Hello YouTube, welcome to yet another new video. Today's video will be taking a look at Faregame from Cars 3. At last I finally sourced one to open. So let's take a look at the packaging. Name tag here, Faregame. The diecast, 3+ Mattel, blue desert background and the artwork of Faregame. Fun Hollow logo, Disney Pixar cars. Fun with a Hollow, Disney Pixar cars again. It's Crazy at Night, Thunder Hollow Speedway, Jambalaya, Liability, and APB on the back. All legal jargon no one cares about. It's a photo of Miss Fritter pushing along Paddy, Bill, and Sigalert with Light Plane just making it away in the neck of time. I've got the trusty letter opener here. Let's get him all opened up. Sorry about that. It's a little bit painful opening a Faregame out of all cars, but it has to be done. There is no other way I will be able to get one to open. There he is in all his glory. Get rid of the packaging. Green eyes with a few teeth. Appears to have a few missing, but the front grille, number 42 on the side, crash only. It's got the white and black checkered pattern. The rims appear to maybe originally grey or silver with white sloppily spray painted over them, and then black cross or plus, whichever way you want to view it. It's raised up from the back as well. Number 42, crash only. The windows, side and back windows are all boarded up. Base and M46 Edgemans, and the 46th week of 2019 in the A factory in Thailand. Closer look at him. Compare him to his mini racer counterpart. The mini racer one is okay and all, but I do much prefer the normal size one. The 155 Faregame. Just bring some other taxis that exist in the cast line. There's no other free taxis I can think of at the moment, but if there are any more, please let me know. Vern, Chauncey Fairs, and Bob Pulley. Let me know which one of these is your favourite. I quite like them all actually. My favourite would have to be Faregame, but it's quite hard to pick at least favourite. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the video. Let me know your thoughts on Faregame. I'm really glad I've finally been able to get one loose. I had two in packaging, one US card, one international card, but just to get one to open means a lot to me actually, so I'm glad I was finally able to make that happen. Yeah, please remember to like, subscribe, comment, favourite, share, do all that normal stuff, and catch you all in the very next video.